Welcome back, everybody. Today it's going to be a quick video. I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil on your E90 or E92 BMW. This will probably work for most BMWs. So what you're going to need is a drain pan, a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a 17mm socket. If you'd like, an oil filter adapter wrench, but you can probably twist that off by hand. A brand new oil filter and 7 quarts of BMW LL-01 oil. So first what you want to do is get the car up off the ground and pull the handbrake hard, as well as leave it in gear or park it in automatic. And then chuck the wheels here at the back, and then we're gonna go underneath the car and pop the drain plug right now. All right, before we go underneath the car, we're gonna just crack this open and leave it there just so we can let the air flow in so that all the oil will come out easier. All right, now that we're underneath the car, just behind the front wheel should be a little access door here. We're gonna go ahead and flip that open and reveal the drain plug. Now that we got the door open, you can see the oil drain plug right there. So we're going to take our socket and the drain pan and drain the oil. Alright, once you've got your drain bolt cracked, go ahead and let the car drain completely. Come back in about 20, maybe even 30 minutes and all the old oil should be gone. While the oil continues to drain, let's go ahead and get the filter changed out. So I use my adapter to loosen it. It's good to put a towel over here so you don't drip oil everywhere. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and transfer it over. Alright, the new filter comes with a brand new crush washer and the new O-rings, as well as the new filter, of course. So first you're gonna remove the old filter. Once you've got the old filter out, remove the small green O-ring on the top here. Alright, now that we've removed the 2 O-rings, let's go ahead and put on our brand new ones and make sure to lubricate them with a little bit of oil before you put them on. Now that we got the O-rings back on, go ahead and get your filter in and get it back in the car. Now all you gotta do is hand tighten this. Alright, now that we got the oil filter back in the car, go ahead and hand tighten it down. And BMW does recommend a torque spec of 18 and 23 foot-pounds, but it's an oil filter, so you can just hand tighten it and make it snug and it'll be good. Alright, before we replace the drain bolt, we're gonna replace the crush washer. So just get your new washer on like that, and now we're ready to put everything back together. Go ahead and thread your drain bolt back in. Now that you get your drain bolt back in, go ahead and tighten it down. Just snug it up and give it a good turn after that. Now go ahead and get the little trap door back in. Now that you got your cover back on, let's go ahead and fill up the oil again. Once you went ahead and added all of your oil, go ahead and remove your funnel, then reinstall your filler cap. Tighten it up. Once the oil level is good, make sure to check for any leaks underneath the car, and that's how you change the oil in your E90 or E92 BMW. Hope you enjoyed this video.